Namaskar and Vanakkam. Welcome to Harita Sarees. This is Sandeep. Harita Sarees is a manufacturing and wholesaling enterprise located in T Nagar, Chennai. It's there since 1999, and today I'm going to show you our exclusive fabric range. You see behind me there is 100% cotton running fabric. It's original Sanganeri print fabric. So here we have 60s cotton, we have kata stitch cotton, and we have even hand block printed pure cotton fabrics. Here we have almost more than 500 designs in Sanganeri print. So Sanganeri print is exclusive cotton printed fabric which is coming from a place called Sanganer in near Jaipur. It's very popular and it's very famous because the prints are really unique, fantastic, and the best part of this fabric is that the colors are fast. The prints are very durable, and we give a guarantee for both the color and the printing. And the fabric lasts very long. It can withstand almost more than 50 washes. I'm going to show you some designs which are stacked behind me. So these are all Sanganeri prints in kata stitch, and these are all 60s cotton. This is 60s cotton. This is kata stitch cotton, and all are original Sanganer print fabrics. Now I would like to tell you that we are specializing in two types of variety. One is a Sanganeri prints, another one is original hand block printed cotton fabrics. Hand block prints fabrics always come in small cut. Generally it comes in cut of 10 meters because it is very difficult for the artisans to lift them if it is a very big cut. So if you see, all hand block print cotton fabric comes in 10-meter cut, and all the screen print fabrics comes in 30 meters and 35 meters cut. Apart from this, we have specialized in original kalamkari fabrics. These are 60s original kalamkari fabrics, and they are using vegetable dyes in printing of these fabric. They are block printed running fabrics, and they also come in a cut of 10 meters, and there's a huge wide range we have in all these fabrics. Now cotton running fabrics is one of the most demanded fabrics in southern part of India. We have a lot of garment makers coming to us who sews these fabric to make kurtis, ready-made garments, pants, blouses, and many more products from these fabrics. And there are buyers also who come to us who have a matching center with them where they stack these running fabrics for the customers to cut them and sell. It can be in any cut. So generally we give these rolls in 30 meters for screen prints and 10 meters for the block print, and you can cut them and sell it to your customers and however they want. Now let's see the complete collection of our running fabrics, what kind of prints we have, what kind of fabric textures we have. I'm going to show you them. Before I start, I want to tell you that there are two categories of fabrics in printed fabrics. One is, as I said we have screen print fabrics, which are the original Sanganer prints, and another one is original hand block printed fabric. So first let me show you the hand block printed ones. In hand block printed ones, first I'm going to show you the kalamkari variety. So here we have original vegetable dye kalamkari fabrics. We get in maroon, mustard, red, black, and in many more colors and indigo. So this is 100% vegetable dyes, and first quality is 60s cotton printed. Then we have black and white block printed bagru print fabrics. This is a black color and this is the white color. They will come generally in traditional prints and in black and white combination, and one of the fastest selling fabric throughout the India. Then we have an exclusive batik print, hand batik print. This is a wax print, original batik print in 30s, and this is in 60s. We have almost like 30 to 40 designs in the batik prints. Then we have the ajrak prints. Again, these are on 60s cotton. There's a black, beige, maroon, indigo. We have around 10 to 15 designs in this ajrak printing, and in this black and white we have around 10 to 15 designs, and in kalamkaris we have 50 to 60 designs. Next I'm going to show you in cotton we have even slub cotton, which has a kind of a slub effect in the fabric. These are hand block printed ajrak slub cotton fabric. We have 3 colors in this, and we have indigo shade as well. and we have around 20 to 25 designs in this as well. This is a brush print Dabu print fabric in 60s cotton. It's original hand block printed cotton. As I already mentioned, that hand block printed cottons will come in 10 meters cut because they are original handmade cotton. So whenever you're buying running fabric for your store or for your boutique, you can always easily identify whether a fabric is handmade or it is a screen print. So if it is a handmade, it cannot be more than 10 meters because it's very difficult to lift fabrics by the artisans. So if it is going to be a big cut, it will be impossible for them to lift, and when they are in small cuts, it's easy for them to lift. So this is all in 10 meters cut. Next, this is called Jahota print. It's a traditional printing technique where they use mud as a resistance and all the dyes are vegetable. In Jahota print, we have 2 to 3 colors like blue, grey, black and maroon. So this is a grey combination with a black, and this is an indigo combination with maroon. Then we have the traditional Dabu prints, indigo Dabu, and then this is a grey Dabu, and this is a Bagru Dabu, a combination of Bagru technique as well as the Dabu technique. Then this is a Vanaspati block print Ajrak. We get 4 to 5 colors in this, and we have around 8 to 9 designs in this as well. Again, these are Dabu print fabrics with nice vibrant colors, and we have around 4 to 5 vibrant colors in this, and we have 10 to 15 designs in this as well. All are pure 60s cotton running fabric in 10 meters cut. And one of the most fascinating and most demanded product is the real Sanganeri block printed rapid print. So rapid print are fast prints, and they all are hand block printed, and they will come in a cut of 10 meters. Lovely prints in this. They all carry this traditional Sanganeri floral prints and Mughal prints, and they are all hand block printed. The next category which I'm going to show you is the 60s cotton print. In 60s cotton print, which is screen print, we have 2 categories, 60s cotton print and the kata stitch print. So here you can see we have stacked these 60s cotton print. We have all types of color palette. We have pastel palette, we have dusty palette, we have dark palette, then we have black and whites, we have indigos, we have ajraks, we have florals, we have geometrics, and the best part, we are also giving combos of top and pant. So here I'm going to show you one combo. This is a top print and this is a pant print. So in case if you want to make kurtis and sets ready made, you can take directly these combos and you can stitch them and sell. If you're a kurti manufacturer, then it's a one-stop solution for you, because we have every design, we maintain minimum 100 meters, so you can make these kurtis and pant set as per your mass production. Here I'm going to show you some nice ajrak combos. This is a geometrical combo. This is the top print and this is the salwar print, and this is a floral combo. This is the top, which is a floral print, and we have a salwar or a pant design in this as well, which is a geometric design. So this is a typical ajrak design. Here this is the top, which is a floral ajrak, and we have a pant design which has a geometrical pattern. In case if you don't want combos, then we also give top separately, we give the pant fabric also separately. So this fabric is pure 60s mill production, 100% cotton, and these are the first category of fabric. So nowadays everybody wants mix and match fabric, for which they want top separately and they want plain pants. So for that purpose, we are giving plain fabrics as well. In there we have 3 types of plain fabrics. We have flex cotton. These are all flex cotton. We have around 30 to 40 colors in flex cotton. Then we have slub cotton, which has slub effect. In this we have 30 to 40 colors as well. All the colors are fast and they are all zero finish, so there is no shrinkage. And then we have the handloom style of cotton, which is also called as khadi cotton. They are very exclusive because this is yarn dyed, and they are also pure cotton. They give a nice texture of khadi effect. You can see this. There's an off-white and there's a blue. So in khadi cotton, we have around 60 to 70 colors, and we have a huge range in plains also. All the plain fabrics are zero finished and they don't shrink when you wash them, and all are of premium quality, first grade of cottons we are using in all the plains as well as in the printed cotton. So if you want to explore the wide range of our fabrics in pure cotton, please visit our office in Chennai in T Nagar. Have a complete experience on these fabrics. Choose whichever you like. Take the cuts whichever you like, and then you can sell them in your store. You can cut them and sell, or you can stitch garments and also sell. It's a multi-purpose fabric. The best quality cotton fabrics we give at Harita Sarees. So subscribe our channel to see more such videos and products. For any more information, please contact on the number given in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.